This is a brand new Palomino Puma 27TH toy hauler offered to you by Yonex RV. This toy hauler features an 11-foot garage and a 15-foot 10-inch garage up to the front countertop. This trailer weighs 6,742 pounds and will sleep 6 people. You have pass-through storage in the front with your 50 amp power cord. You got the solar on the side where you can hook a solar panel up. The front of the unit has two 20-pound LP tanks, has a power tongue jack, and a battery disconnect against the frame. On the off-door side, you got your other side of the pass-through storage. This unit features electric stabilizer jacks, has a 15,000 BTU air conditioner, is wired for a second air conditioner. You have your outside shower. Above it is your city water hookup. Behind it is your 6-gallon gas electric water heater, and behind it is your fresh water fill. But in front of the axle is your 35,000 BTU furnace outtake and your power hookup. This unit features aluminum wheels. On the side you'll see air vents so you can let exhaust fumes dissipate from inside the unit. On the very rear, you've got your patio system with a 7-foot 1-inch door. On the very top of the rear, you've got prep for a backup camera. Inside the unit, you'll see a rolled up form. That is your height screen for the rear wall. On the door side, you've got a large power awning with LED light strip, 2 outside speakers, a place to hook a television on the outside, direct hookup into the TV antenna. You have the upgraded solid step system. You have your extra large grab handle to get inside the unit. Straight ahead into the unit, on the wall is your thermostat for your air conditioner and your furnace. In the main body of the unit, you've got 2 recliners. You got your solid surface countertop, stainless steel sink with pull-down kitchen faucet. You got a 3-burner cooktop with oven and glass stove cover. You've got a microwave. You have an 11 cubic foot 12-volt refrigerator. Below the refrigerator is your converter. On the floor, you'll see a rear ladder for the top queen bed that is recessed into the ceiling. This unit also has a flat screen LED TV and AM/FM Bluetooth stereo. In the very rear, you have 2 couches that will drop down into a bed, and you have a dinette table in between. The bed system and the couches are fully electric. You can just push a button. In the bathroom, you've got a vent fan, a motion detecting light so you do not have to turn the light on at night. You got a foot flush toilet, a sink, mirror, place to hang toothbrushes, a neo-angle shower with glass shower door, and wardrobe storage. Inside the bedroom is a full walk-around queen bed with hanging wardrobe storage on both sides. You also have shelves next to the bed on each side if you have a CPAP machine. You have a place to mount a TV on the wall, and that vent can be removed in a secondary